There we go. There we go. That's better. Yay. Nice. I see Twitch is already up. There goes YouTube is up. Just like that. Now we're cooking with gas, huh? Woo! Yes, thank you for bearing with me on that. Appreciate everybody. Love your faces. You guys are awesome. Thank you, thank you. Don't need that preview anymore. Put this over here. Let's relaunch our Zoom. Guys didn't know all this went into this, huh? There we go.
He just gives me a little money to play around with, and you
go.
know.
You just got to keep an eye on him, right?
Yeah, I didn't tell him. I kind of lost what he gave me.
Okay, I'm back. Can you guys hear me?
Oh,
You can.
good morning, sir.
Yay!
Good morning, Vietnam!
All right, we should be live on all the things. We've already done our pre-market setup. Hot stock picks for the day for our paid members have been posted. VIP members already making money. Did anybody make money in the VIP room this morning?
Is on end
Yes,
of
coach. Yes, coach.
Sir,
Nice, nice.
$170.
Yes.
Yeah.
I see Nate over there already crushing it. It's already made $4,000 in the pre-market in the VIP room. Very nice. Mark has also made $525. Nice job. Ange this morning in the VIP, she's a VIP gold member, has already made $491 this morning. And she says, 4 weeks green. Nice job. Disabled veteran, also a VIP member, says up $169 in the early morning. I'm reading this all off the profits and loss already this morning, and it's 9:10. That's glorious. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Wake up, make money. We've already done some training. We've already talked about some swing trades. We've already talked about some dividend, high yield investments. Woo! Bam! Already getting it done on this beautiful, beautiful Friday. Who's ready for the weekend, huh?
I am.
Yes, me too.
Yes,
I'm
definitely.
ready.
I'm not. That means we can't trade.
Nope, that's it. That means you're done. Shut that computer off and go back to bed.
Coach, what are you and the wife going to see this weekend? I know you're going to see something.
This is the Lord of the Apes one. I don't know what the name of it is. I'm not sure what the name of it is.
New one, isn't
Planet
it?
of the Apes. Yeah, the new one. Yep.
Some pit me.
Yeah. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
You gotta watch the Cat Williams stand up on Netflix. It's so funny.
Will do. I still need to
And the
go
Tom
watch-
Brady roast.
Yeah, I still got to watch the whole Tom Brady roast. I've seen the the bits and pieces.
It's so good.
Yeah, home run.
good.
Talked about that yesterday. Home run.
Is that on Netflix?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a Netflix live event, which that's pretty brave.
The first time they did that, they failed miserably. So it's good to see that it's working.
Yeah. Did you? I cannot repeat it on here, but did you hear what Dana White said?
Oh yeah. It was good.
He's like, I only get 60 seconds. I can't repeat the rest because I'll get canceled, because you can't joke.
Yeah.
But holy shit. Dana just coming out guns a-blazing. Holy crap. Oh, okay. Pretty funny. I need to watch it all, but incredible. Just incredible. Kevin Hart,
Nikki
of course.
Glazer, you only watch one session.
Yeah.
Nikki killed it.
Oh yeah, and that I've seen hers. Yeah, I've seen a lot of the like individual stuff. I just haven't seen it all real time and watched it. Yeah, she crushed it. They said she was the MVP of the whole event, which I can see why. Because holy shit, the whole time I'm just dying laughing, right? The whole time listening to her.
And Coach, she kills it almost every roast. I mean, she's
Oh, it's great.
so
It's
good.
great. Yeah, what'd she say about Kevin Hart? She's like, let's give him a hand or something, right?
Yeah, let's give him a hand because he can't reach it.
Yeah, like, oh my gosh. Like, are you?
And she says, "I'll keep this Kevin short," or Kevin. I'll
Yeah.
keep this Kevin Hart.
It's just crazy. Callie, go ahead. IPOs are posted.
Hey, Coach, I just posted a link for you in the membership lounge. It's a home in Dunedin you should buy.
Oh, yep, I see it. Hold on, let me take a look. Oh, I know this. Yeah, I know this house.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Yep. Yeah. This is a historic house though, right?
Yeah.
Let me see. Yeah, I know this one well. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I mean, that was a big deal over there. Yeah. How much are they asking for? Does it say?
Wait, Coach is moving back to Florida?
Don't say that too loud. My wife hears that. I'll get my ass beat.
Yes, sir. They're posted.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
USOI, one of the IPOs, is the first all enhanced option income ETF that's coming out. So
I think he's done him.
Thank you.
something interesting to look at.
Yeah, when we first moved to Dunedin, you see where it says that San Salvador, we were right around the corner. We were off Mateo. So we were really close to where that's at. We were less than a mile from that house.
Wow.
I'm at a hospital or school right
Yeah.
around there
Oh, where at?
in Dunedin.
No. Where at? You said by the hospital?
Yeah, I think it was an old hospital or an old school. They turned into a hospital or something right there.
Okay. But you said
Yeah,
you
my
still
best friend-
you live down there?
No, my best friend's daughter lived right across the street from there.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
We've been down there a couple times, Hudson Beach, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I was
And
really.
so I proposed to my wife. I proposed to my wife right there in Hudson Beach.
Oh, wow, that's awesome. Very cool.
Yep.
Yeah, 1.3 million. That's actually really cheap for 3,200 square feet of where this is located. That's actually a really good price.
Yeah, that is.
Yep, that's extremely priced. That should move pretty quick. The only thing I wonder about the whole historic thing is if you're gonna. I assume you're not gonna be limited on anything because if it was like a true, historic, they wouldn't be able to sell it like this. So they're just saying it's historic. So yeah.
I won that all out, Coach. I did a sunset proposal.
Oh, that's
Me
awesome.
and my friend typed it out. It was cool.
Yeah, that's very cool. Yep. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, if you guys are looking at the map, I was on Brady, where I just moved from when I was there. It was Brady Drive. It was Brady and Keene. Right. So I was at the very tail end of the golf course, the Dunedin golf course. But it was all right there.
Wow, I live right off Keene and Clearwater.
Oh, do you? Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Very close. Yep. Yeah, that's why I said we used to ride our bikes every day. So we would take it, down through the golf course, hit the Pinellas Trail, and, we'd usually take it to Clearwater, turn around right there and come back. That was exactly 11 miles for us. We did that every day. When we wanted to go farther, of course, we would go north and we go up to Tarpon Springs, which is a little over 10 miles. And then we do that and back. So sometimes we'd hit about 25, 26 miles, depending how far we went that way when we go north. But yeah, we rode it every day. It was just beautiful by the ocean. Oh my gosh. Yeah, don't get me going.
Hey, Coach, we're hitting Sponge Docks today.
Oh, are you? Yeah. Oh, that's my favorite. Got to go to Rusty Bellies.
We'll do it.
Got to do it. Have you been there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one of our top favorite restaurants in the area.
What you want me to order for you?
Well, you got to get the hush puppies, right? You got to start with that. And then we'd always get the, typically we get the mussels. And then, usually it just depends. I like the fish tacos, something lighter, right? Then you head down to the square. You get yourself a hand-rolled cigar, right? And you hit the square, get yourself a couple of drinks down there, do a little dancing, little drinking, little dancing, cigar smoking.
Sounds like you got my day planned out.
Oh my gosh, paradise. We call that
send you pictures.
paradise.
Where is this at?
That's well, he's going to Tarpon Springs. Tarpon Springs. Beautiful little area. Tons of nice little restaurants. Oh yeah, don't get me going. You guys will have me on a freaking plane. 918. Yeah, we used to, every weekend we would go somewhere else. We'd hit, you got Palm Harbor's right there, right? Tons of little restaurants and things to do. Of course, you got Clearwater Beach, was only 6 miles from my house. Then you got Tarpon Springs if you wanted to go up north. Then, of course, if you wanted to go into Tampa for the big, the highlight of big stuff to do, we used to go to every Bucks game down there. There's so much to do. It's just crazy. It's just crazy.
I like that Maryland restaurant over there in Clearwater. It's owned by a Marylander, and they have all the Maryland flags out front. It's got the Ravens carpet on the floor. That's a pretty cool place right there at the beach.
We never went there. Because there was, obviously just so much. If you make it back into Dunedin, though, right, you want to hit up Clear Draft House, right? Clear Skies. Or you guys can head over if you like barbecue. You want to go over to Dunedin Smokehouse Barbecue. Then you want to go over, you want to hit Flanagan's. You want to see my buddy Jay over there, the owner at Flanagan's. Make sure you tell him that the coach sent you. Get yourself a nice pint of Guinness. Absolutely beautiful. Then you want to head over to the House of Beers. Grab yourself a little something. They do have an outside patio area. Right? There's only 11 microbreweries right there within 1.5 mile walking distance in the downtown area of Dunedin. Rated number one place to live in America. Go check it out. Okay.
Coach, I just got back from Florida for a week.
Yep.
Up in the Panhandle, I'm still recuperating.
Yeah, I hear you.
Loved it.
Yeah, it's amazing. Speaking of beautiful weather, don't forget I am going to Hawaii. Heading to Hawaii in 24 days. So I do have a little application because I am that much of a nerd. Says 24 days, 14 hours, 39 minutes, and 2 seconds left.
Yeah, but who's counting?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Who's staring at this every 5 seconds? Not me. Not me at all. Can't wait. Never been. Super
Coach, are you
excited.
hinting we should all book a trip at that date?
Absolutely. Yeah. We're going to be at the Kahala Resort on, what is it, Oahu? Hopefully I'm saying that right. Sorry. I do have members that lived over there. So sorry if I said the name wrong.
Because you can hike Diamond Head Volcano, which is a nice time.
That's correct. Yep. It's right there.
Really close to where you're at.
Yep. Absolutely. Yeah. We're going to be right by that.
So, Coach, all this stuff is in the Tampa Bay area?
That's correct. Yeah. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah. Everything.
I think I know where I'm going to retire.
Oh, it's paradise.
It's
Not
awesome.
kidding. It's the home of the, it's got the training camp for the baseball teams down there.
Yeah.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
There's a couple of places on Oahu. I was over there in the Air Force stationed at Hickam for 20 years almost. And Sacred Falls is a really neat place to go to. It's a nice hike.
Sacred
You and the
Falls.
wife like to hike.
Okay.
Yeah. And of course, the Ala Moana Mall is incredible. You have to go there.
I think my wife even said we were going to do that. So that's definitely on our radar. Yep.
Put a luau at the top also.
We'll
Excuse
do.
me, sorry. NVAX is making another run for it. Just thought I'd tell you guys. Sorry.
All right. Thank you.
Carry on.
Thank you. But anyways, yeah, the Blue Jays are there in Dunedin. So if you guys are into baseball, the Blue Jays, that's where their camp is set up. which it used to be. It was less than a half a mile from my house where their old camp was set up. So they're really close, but they've got the whole baseball field down there. I mean, if you guys are seriously looking at any place to go and you don't know where to go, you have to go. And I've been to a lot of places. I used to live in Miami when I was a kid. I've been all over the place. I had a friend that lived in Palm Springs. There is nothing more beautiful than Dunedin over on the West Coast. It is knock your socks off. If you want to continue to go south, you got Clearwater, you got Indian Rocks Beach, right? I mean, there's so much to do there. It's crazy. Largo.
Don't
Don't
forget Honeymoon Island.
Yeah, I was right next to Honeymoon Island, Caladesi, right? But you got, I mean, everything's there. St. Petersburg, right? There's
Anna-Marie, Cortez,
the training camp.
Sarasota, Bradenton,
Yep, absolutely.
Longboat Key.
Yep.
Coach, I'm trying to send everybody here. You're going to mess Florida up.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Everybody stay away. It sucks. You won't like it. It's terrible.
Horrible.
It's funny.
The only thing I didn't like about Florida is mosquitoes.
It's funny. I was just going to say
cow.
this. Hold on. I want to mention this because this is the first thing you always hear when you think of Florida is bugs and heat. When you're near the water, there's no bugs and no heat.
Coach, don't tell them that.
Oh, my bad. Sorry. It's nothing but bugs, crocodiles, and you'll die. My bad.
We put.
I mean, no, don't get me wrong. I didn't hate it, but
No,
it's
no,
like
it's-
I remember when I went for the first time in a few years ago. As soon as I got out, it's like the amount of mosquito that got on my legs.
See, Nana
and
didn't hear me,
sucked the
did she?
blood out of me. It was insane.
Nana didn't hear me at all, did she?
Coach, you forgot
I'm
cockroaches.
trying to help you here.
Lots of cockroaches.
No.
Don't come
I'll-
down here.
Yeah, I'll help you. Listen, if you are if you live near the water,
Yeah.
there are no bugs. I cannot let me repeat. There
It's true.
are no bugs by water. There are no, and I know it sounds weird because you're thinking, oh, well, mosquitoes, they live near the water and all this bullshit. Listen, when you're near the ocean,
Yeah,
there
it's
is no
near the ocean.
freaking mosquitoes. There is no, right? We didn't have all the palmettos all over the bugs and the spiders and all the bullshit. You don't get any of that when you're near the ocean.
How near, Coach? What's the range?
I was 2 miles from the ocean, so we didn't get any of that. Yeah, we didn't.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
there
Oh,
was
well.
none of that bullshit.
Coach being there,
Yep.
just being there last week.
Yeah, you
I'm
just
blessed in them.
Just being there last week, we were right on it, and humidity really was down.
That's correct.
A little bit of breeze.
Yep.
No bugs.
Nope.
Actually,
Not at all.
zero.
Zero. That's
I
what
would
I'm
love
saying.
that about being near the beach. If you're at that water,
Yep.
yeah, you're not dealing with a whole bunch of
Yeah,
humidity.
even when you're close, even when you're close to it, you get the breeze off the ocean. There's no bugs and weird shit. Because everybody's always like, "Oh, Florida, all it is like swampland." Yeah, if you go anywhere that's not near the water, you probably either live in, marshland, or it's just hot as shit, and you live like in the deep, jungle of Florida. You don't need to live. Why would you live there?
It's funny, Coach. Hey, Coach, I have Lemon Bay right at my corner.
Yep.
And my wife gets attacked by no-see-ums. They don't bother me at all.
Yep.
But they love her.
Yeah, those little mini bugs. Yep.
Yeah, I
hate
can't
those
stand
things.
no seams.
Yep.
You see what I mean? It's like it's like so I was by Tampa Bay, but more on the inside.
Uh-huh.
And holy cow! I mean, those mosquitoes, like.
Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know where the hell you're
Yeah.
at.
Hey, it's not the mosquitoes' fault that your legs are delicious. Come on.
Yep.
No,
They like that French
it's When they
cuisine.
told me it's like don't wear shorts, you have to wear leggings, socks. You gotta
Leggings.
cover
Yeah,
yourself.
see, I don't know where the
it's
hell
like-
Bon appetit.
She was like in the swamplands. I don't know where the hell you were at.
He was in the Everglades.
Yeah, you
You're
were in
right.
the
I mean,
Everglades.
you're absolutely right. But I didn't hate it. Don't get me wrong. It's just the mosquito that I hate. The rest of it
So,
was
anyways,
great.
if you don't want the mosquitoes, go to Dunedin.
Yeah.
It's
Wait,
good chips
here to
run
give
up
you an
pretty
idea,
good.
like
Yeah,
when,
yeah.
when you jump onto those cruise
Right.
ship over there's no mosquito because you by the water. You're right. There is none of that by
Yeah.
the water.
Yep, it's crazy. But it was funny every time how can you live in Florida? I'm like, listen, it's just like anywhere if you know the areas to go, right? There's good and there's bad. So it's just, I'm telling you, and I've been all on the East Coast. I've been all on the South, the Southwest, and the West Coast. The water's more beautiful on the West Coast. The beaches are nicer on the West Coast because you're not getting everything blown in from the East Coast. You're not as worried about hurricanes because they can't usually rip around the corner back up to Tampa. They usually demolish the East Coast, right? Again, West Coast living, baby. West Coast over there. West side.
Hey, coach, is it called Dunedin because the mosquitoes are Dunedin?
That's right. Yeah, they call it dog eating actually because everybody's got a dog there. It's the biggest dog-friendly town you've ever been in. All the bars, you can usually bring your dog. They'll bring your dog out treats. They bring your dog out water, all sorts of stuff at the bars outside.
Awesome. Damn it! Now I got to pack.
Yep. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, I didn't mean to sell
It's worth it.
Yep.
Just don't try to change it.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Don't be bringing weird shit there, right? Okay. It's 9:28. We got about a minute, 20 seconds to the bell. We're just having a little fun on this Friday. Real quick, if you guys want to join any of our services, I'm not going to go into it. You know what to do. You know where to go. You know how much they cost. If you're brand new here, just head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys can check it out. We do have a new website that we'll be building soon. So look for that. I'll let you guys know when that happens. Remember, I'll never reach out to you, never send you a friend request, etc. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno Carter, Don Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the Female Trucker, Luke Skywalker, Jimmy, Brady, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McC. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you, of course, to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, and all of our nurses. This is Nurses Week. We've been giving away a free membership every day this week in honor of all of our nurses. Thank you to all of our men and women and nurse field that help everybody out make this a better world. And everybody with me, thank you to all of our truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Yeah, baby. Let's roll, y'all.
Hell yeah. Now listen, make sure our call outs are clear and concise. At any time you want to join us, of course, head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Our membership start at $200. Otherwise, you guys can sign up for a VIP. Right now, if you guys sign up for a VIP Gold membership, you will be entered to win. We will take 2 people to spin the wheel for a chance to win up to $5,000 live. We're going to do that live, by the way. Sign up. It's Friday. Set yourself up. All right, here we go, everybody. Let's rock and roll. Make sure you follow all the rules. Don't be a fool today. Love your faces. All right, all right, all right. Spy pulling back here right now.
Arm to the upside.
Arm to the upside.
Amazon pulling back.
Thank you. Spy still continuing to pull
as
back.
well as Meta and Tesla and
Yep.
Microsoft.
Same thing with Apple. Spy
You
just
saw
a,
it.
Spy just a huge pullback there. Apple trying to find support at 184.50. Nvidia broke upside and pulled back. Let's take a look. Yeah, Nvidia broke through our pre-market setup before the bell. Before the bell, and then pulled back. As you know, if it leads up to the bell, meaning it's been driving to the bell, what typically is going to happen at the bell? Sell off. That's right. Everybody collecting their money, and you see it right here.
What do you think of sound, Coach?
Let's take a peek. Sound looks great. Yeah, 18%. Beautiful. Nice call out on sound. S-O-U-N. Sound Hound. Popped up to 585. Great for small accounts. Make sure you stay above this 560 level. That was pre-market here. Just remember, everybody, even if you're an expert trader, be careful of the first 1 to 3 minutes of the day. It is the most volatile, and I want to get anybody to get chopped up. Again, Apple looking like support at 184.40. Called this earlier. So around that 184.50-ish range, that is support on Apple so far. See what it wants to
Coach
do.
Index flying.
Which one?
Hot stock index.
Sorry, which hot stock pick?
NVAX.
NVAX.
Oh, NVAX. Okay, thank you. Hot stock pick, NVAX. New high, nope, not new high day. Blasting off though at $10.40. Our VIP members rode this all the way from $6 to $14 this morning. Nice.
INSG halted to the upside.
Yep, I see it. INSG halted to the upside.
XOXL to the upside, really nice for
Thank
small
you.
account.
Thank
Mara
you.
second red. 2 minute
Arm
video.
is staying up really high.
Thank you. Yep, Mara second red. Mara now down 2.6%. They absolutely crushed on everything that they wanted to, but they did not meet the projected earnings that they wanted for it.
Common theme in earnings, by the way.
It's hard after the halving.
Yes.
Pretty hard for them.
Yep.
SOXL looks so nice.
Yep, SOXL broke our pre-market to the upside, and it's off to the races.
Yep.
New high a
Beautiful.
day.
Axel.
It's above VWAP. It's above the 200. Trend is your friend. That's a 6-star trade. Small accounts. Everybody seeing Soxel? It broke the pre-market. I hope you guys all see that. Pre-market high or our pre-market setup was $41.20. Now at $41.78. Beautiful. By the way, speaking of VIP Gold members, I think only 2 people so far have signed up. You have the world's greatest odds to make the most money you've ever seen in your life spinning the wheel of cash. Congratulations to you. Qs to the upside. I want to buy a VIP Gold. I want to buy 10 of them just so I can spin the wheel 10 times. That'd be great. Qs, massive upside. Big blast. Breaking our pre-market levels and new high a day on the Qs.
NVIDIA new day high, increase in bullish volume.
Yep, thank you. NVIDIA broke through our pre-market setup level to the upside. You guys heard me say Soxel, so you already knew NVIDIA was up there, right? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Q's up here nice and tall. Same with SPY. Looks like Mara found support at $19. Mara found support at $19.
However, Tesla to the downside, way down. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Any 2-minute EWO is in effect. Yes, Tesla's on its third 2-minute EWO to the downside.
Microsoft first green EWO.
Thank you. Qs are already in a 2-minute EWO. Now listen, Qs popped up to 443.63, broke back down through our level on a retest and could not hold. 443.26 could not hold. Look at that big old seller candle right there. Major level, 443.26 for the Qs. We'll see if it continues to climb. SPY doing the exact same thing on our key critical level of 522 up there. Staying up tall, though. It didn't pull back. It did not pull all the way back and drop off. That's bullish. It's staying up tall. Apple making a move. Oh, look at Apple. It spiked above 185, which is immediately pulled back. Everybody see the seller's candle? Look at this. See it? Can you guys see that?
We're losing you, coach.
Oh, damn it. Can you guys hear me? Check. Hello?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes, we
okay.
can.
Look at Apple. Look at Apple. Look at
And
this.
Vex.
Look at Apple. Look at that seller's wick. Can you see it? I tried to tell you just before that thing crashed. Hopefully you heard me.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, good.
And Vex is flying.
NVAX to the upside. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
NVAX, hot stock pick. NVAX now at 1068, up 136%. Remember, that's got a gap up to 14 in the pre-market. We'll see if it can get there.
Microsoft is going to new high. It's at above 414.
Thank you.
Looking beautiful.
Apple. Apple is now on its 4th 2-minute EWO to the downside on Apple.
Amazon choppies all get out.
Okay. Choppy chop.
Amazon hit all-time highs yesterday.
Right. NVAX hit 1087 now. SG making a little run. SG, Sierra Golf, Sweet Green Inc. making a nice move to the upside. It's definitely not low floater. It's got 109 million float, but 2.5 million volume on SG. 2-minute EWO. Mara is paying off to the downside. Off those earnings. By the way, I know Mara's not worried. They have so much Bitcoin. Didn't they say they're working up to almost $2 billion worth of Bitcoin now? If it can get up, they get 100K.
But
They
now
got
they
2
only
billion.
get half, coach. They're halving. Cut their rewards in half.
Yep.
So the price has to go up to accommodate their profit, you know.
That's
on
correct.
Bitcoin.
Yep.
Otherwise, they're out of business.
Guys, what do you think of Nvidia here?
Let me see. You got to remember there's a halving every 4 years, so they weren't out of business then either,
Yes.
right? So
But every time the price shoot up of Bitcoins like that, you know,
right,
covers up their halving thing.
it
you know?
does, but then they just have to buy more equipment to offset, right? Think about it. Double the
Yes.
equipment is double the production rate, right? So
That's for sure, yeah.
Yeah, I
But,
mean, it's-
you know, it's
Exactly.
still, you know, the price has to go up to keep them in business. Otherwise, it's going to be hard for them.
yeah, it'll be harder, but they have enough money in crypto that they're just holding that they could buy
Yes.
they could buy everything they need. So Nvidia
that's
is
for sure.
bouncing on VWAP. Nvidia is bouncing on VWAP. See if this can stay up. NVAX hit $11 and then just dropped off the face of the planet. Look at that. Look at that sell-off at $11. That's why we have
Yeah.
stops.
I just got stopped out
Move
right
to
now.
the upside.
With the index.
Yep. That's why we use those stops, right?
Yeah. I could have lost more.
Oh, yeah. I'll save your ass. Look at NVIDIA, the bounce of VWAP and just popping off.
Check out
Soxel
Micron.
continuing to climb. Small accounts. Soxel broke the pre-market 41.20. $42 now.
SPY making a move, coach, to the
Yep,
upside.
I see it. SPY is above our pre-market setup at 522. Nice. NVIDIA new high of day. NVIDIA new high of day.
It looks like Tesla finds support at 170.55.
Yep. Looking good. Mara continuing to crash out. NVIDIA continuing to climb. Looking beautiful here.
I think it's right at the high of yesterday.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, NVIDIA, beautiful setup right there. Look at this 2-minute EWO on NVIDIA. Wow. You guys seeing that?
That should help Soxel.
Yeah, so it pulled back at the open. Found support right there. Bounced, got above VWAP, never came back.
908.79 was previous high day.
Was it? Okay. So 909 will be resistance then. Yep. Thank you. AMD
Looks like
getting
NVAX is finding support on the 55.
Thank you. AMD, nice boost, 2%. Nice boost. One of our VIP members asking me about AMD this morning. There's a nice 2% boost today, right, partner? Not bad. Yeah, MVAX touched VWAP and bounced, but I'd be waiting a while on NVAX to see what that wants to do now. Waiting for a break of 11. Otherwise, you can scalp it off of VWAP to 11. Just make sure you have a hard stop down there around $9.90. Everybody see it?
Hey, Coach, check out Micron Technology.
Okay. What's the ticker symbol?
Mike Uniform.
MU. Yep. Thank you.
Coach, can you check Tesla and give me some idea on Tesla, what's going on the bottom right there?
I will. MU is at a double top. Be careful right here at this 120, 120 range. See it? Let's see. Tesla. Yeah, no. Tesla's lights out right here, Nana. It's still, yeah, it's still gone. Because the reason is you broke yesterday's low at 171.50 basically. Let me, yeah, let me look. Okay, 170.15. Yeah, it's coming up on its next level of support right now.
117.15, okay.
Yeah, 170 and 15 cents. It's at it right now. So remember, technically, it's at it when we're off by about 10, 15 cents. So it's technically there now. If it can break this, though, let me look. Yeah, it's 170.15. Let me look. Yeah, 170's here. 169.50 is next if it breaks that.
Thank you.
Yep. And then 169.12, but so basically every 50 cents will be the easiest way on that.
NVIDIA, wow.
Yeah, NVIDIA rocket ship. Congratulations, everybody, on that NVIDIA. That is nice. That's glorious.
Apple's trying to break a double bottom at 184.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Apple. Yep, Apple's still continuing to pull. 2-minute EWO to the downside on Apple.
32%.
Oh, nice job, David. Now, David sized up yesterday. Was that yesterday, David?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice job. See that, Nana, right there, that 170? We had 170.15 and it stopped at 170.07.
NVIDIA breaking yesterday's high.
Yes, that's nice.
DJT popping up quick, but it likes to sell off on Fridays.
Okay, thank you. NVIDIA, 2.7%. 2.7% on NVIDIA. One of the NVIDIA's best days it's ever had again. Nice job. Congratulations, everybody, on NVIDIA. Moving up to 3% here. It's at 2.8%. Woo. There it goes. 2.9% NVIDIA. Who's riding this rocket ship?
I'm in
Thank you. Oh, my goodness.
Soxel.
Yes, with Soxel. I heard that. Nice job. David's over there printing and the 2-minute EWO gang making their money on that Apple to the downside. Nice job. NVIDIA continuing to climb. Finally had a little bit of a stall here at 914. Is this where we're going to see its first pullback? 914 on NVIDIA. Resistance. Now remember, everybody, NVIDIA has between a $2.50 and a $3 move. So it moves really fast, okay? Remember to shed today, everybody. 50, 20, 20, 10. This is for a little reminder for you on these pullbacks. 50, 20, 20, 10, okay? But NVIDIA is still to the upside. How we doing over here, everybody? Good to see you all. Thank you for those likes. I appreciate it. Next goal on those likes is 10,000. Let's see if we can get to 10,000 likes on TikTok. That'd be great. Nicey nice. Don't forget tonight, everybody. I want to see that panel full. I want to see 8 people minimum on the aftermarket program tonight. So get over there. Get on that show. I love seeing you guys' faces. I love all the stories. I love all the trades and things you guys are in. I love hearing about what you guys are doing. Get over there. Aftermarket, 5 o'clock every night on our YouTube channel. Type in
It's a party.
American Dream Trading.
Yeah.
It's a party. We had fun last night.
Yep.
Thank you to everybody who came and hung out.
I saw some of it. It was awesome. I only caught bits and pieces of it, but I did. Soxel, new high a day. Who's still in that Soxel?
I'm in Soxel too.
Nice.
I'm in.
Coach.
Nice. Q's still to the upside.
I'm in.
Nice job. Q's still up. Spy's still up. Apple is still pulling. Nice job, David, and whoever else is in those Apple 2-minute EWOs. Absolutely textbook there.
62%.
Oh my God.
AMD new high day.
Thank you. 62% for the Apple game.
Google and Amazon both first green.
Love it.
Google just kind of faded away.
Love it. Now let's discuss this Apple 2 minutes real quick. If we look at the 2-minute EWO, excuse me, on Apple, right? This was actually the signal, but it was really close to VWAP. This is where I told you, this is where it got dangerous, right? It popped above pre-market. And then I told you guys, but look at that sellers, big sellers candle, the wick. As soon as this had this long candle, you knew you were in business. Then it stayed below VWAP the whole time. But this right here, this initial pop, all of this is scary territory, right? I get it.
Sir.
Yeah, that's scary. I get it. This is why I don't like to trade around VWAP, right?
Well, see, we have almost the same scenario as yesterday where we were getting the 2-minute confirmation with the break of what you set up as the pre-market channel.
Yep, absolutely.
So same thing today. Just patience. Don't get chopped up in there.
That's right. Patience wins the day, right, partner?
Yes, sir. Every day watching the paint dry, like Jimmy used to say it.
Yep, every day. Yep, it's not exciting, but damn, it pays the bills, don't it, David?
Yes, sir. 72% now.
72%. Don't forget, everybody, you guys can always add in when it's going in your favor, but never, never, I repeat, add in when it's going against you. This is not long-term trading where we dollar cost average. No, no, no. NVIDIA
only when it pulls back, coach, right? Only when it pulls back for a sec, right?
Yeah, if it's just doing like a quick breathe back and it still makes sense and it still looks good, absolutely. Yep. NVIDIA. What I mean by it though is, you're in the red. You're not making money. If you're making money, you can add into it because you're already in the green, which means you've got some buffer, right?
Right.
Yep. So NVIDIA, this is why I was talking about NVIDIA. You see where it stopped? It peaked at 914. Now we're at 910. This is why I said, be careful. And this is why I watch these slowdown ranges. So right there, this is why exactly I told you 50, 20, 20, 10 as your reminder exactly when it peaked up here. So again, if you listen to the sound of my voice, you're in good shape. If not, I don't know what the hell you're paying for. SMCI also up with NVIDIA, Soxel, AMD. Intel also up 1% on Intel. Apple getting ready to pull hard again. Well, hard for Apple, right? 0.03%. There it goes. 183.50. Apple, beautiful setup here now. You're at 0.43 to the downside. It's beautiful. 183.50. Checking levels. Hold on.
Hey, Coach, besides a shift change at 10 o'clock, I think I heard somebody's talking at 10 o'clock too.
Are they? Okay, thank you. Good to note. All right, let's see what we got here. Yeah, Apple, it's coming. It's close to support at 183.35 for the next level. I based that right here. Can anybody see this? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
And if we get a break of that, then we got 183.10. So basically 183, right? Because if it's that close, that's really where it's at. But this right here is the next level of support, close to this 183.35. Right now it's at, it hit 48. That's close. That's close enough, right? It doesn't get to that level. It gets really close. Look at this. So be careful here is all I'm saying. Be very careful here. Great. Good.
We had something in the 183.57 area previously.
Gotcha. Okay, good to know.
So I shaved a few extra right there.
Yeah,
just
nice.
in case.
Yep, nice. Yeah, this is definitely a great spot to shave some. And you can see too, right, that it didn't just slow down and consolidate. It's now really choppy up in here.
Yeah, it's like when you say that the pattern has changed,
Yep.
it's sort of flat compared to continuous step, step, step.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So this was a beautiful step down. Now we're in this long consolidation and the candles are long here instead of these short little ones. So the only reason everybody that we pull here, because even though this is all still to the downside, right? It's still a beautiful setup. The only reason is because if this decides to start to run up, you've guaranteed locked in the money here, right? Somewhere in this level. So it's always better to lock that in because guess what? If it then decides to pull below new low a day, you can always add in again, right?
Yes, sir.
So there's nothing
still
wrong
in the
with
game.
that. Yeah, you're still in the game. You can still add. It's still in your favor. But this just locks us in. In the event it does go, hey, I'm going to come back to VWAP. Well, guess what? You're good. If it decides to pull again, add more. There's nothing that tells you can't do that.
Yes, sir. And that's why I think I was having so many break evens in the past
Yeah.
because I was holding too long and not collecting.
Right. Yeah, absolutely.
Coach, everyone's favorite Kashkari and Bowman speaks in 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay, thank you. And we'll have shift change. That'll be interesting, right?
Hey, Coach, can you look at Saxo?
Yep, I'm on it. And there goes Apple getting ready to new low a day. Okay, Soxal. Soxal, of course, heavy, but still staying up tall. As long as this stays above this, what is this, about 41.90? I still like it up here. But again, this is what I was talking about with NVIDIA. Right, there goes Apple, new low a day. This is, though, again, right? We collect up here on these moves. That's a pullback, right? This is a pullback. This is a pullback.
So, Coach,
Yep.
so on the first pullback, I did fit. Okay, go ahead.
Yep. So right here, there's 1, here's 2, here's 3. So it's 50, 20, 20, and now we got 10 left still, right? That's
But I did my 52 early though. At the first red going up.
let me take a look on the 2 minute.
Yeah.
Let me take a look, partner. This one?
Yes.
I got you. This one right here, right?
Perfect.
Now remember, one candle does not signify change of direction. It also didn't go lower than the body of the previous candle. See it?
So I was concerned. I didn't know if that would happen or not right before.
Yep.
So when it started going down.
Yep.
it was
And that's
going,
okay. Listen,
fighting between sales and buy.
Yeah. Listen, I don't mind that because the good thing is a couple things. You're conditioning your brain properly, right? You're collecting money. So there's nothing wrong with that. You know, you can wait just a little bit longer, but there's nothing wrong with it. I think you did a good job. I would always rather you guys collect it. It doesn't matter anywhere. Take half. Take it off the table. Lock in that green, right? Always best. Always best. Get some of that green. It's going to help you. It's going to slow the trade down. It's going to slow the whole thing down. You're going to see it at a much better light. You're already up for the day. You're already green. You're going to have a positive mindset, right? The psychology of trading. You're going to feel much better about the trade, right? You don't have as much in here. You don't have as much to lose. If it does, knife drop, pull back. They're all good things. I'm telling you, there is nothing wrong ever with making money. Even if it was $1, it's good to be green, right?
Yeah. So, Coach, one more question. So, on that first red bar, if I had waited for it to go past the other green right before it, then I guess maybe explain how you would look at it, how you would have done it.
Well, yeah. I mean, look at this right here, right? Yeah. None of this is signifying get out or pull back, right? You see this?
No, but before the first red, right? Let's say hypothetically, I didn't know exactly how low it would go.
Right, but you're already in the trade so well that shouldn't have mattered, right? If you look at Soxel, your NVIDIA trade was in this candle. So somewhere in this candle you bought, right?
Yes.
So I'm not sure why you would panic on this first red candle. You see it?
Shift change.
You're up so much that you shouldn't be worrying about this right here, right? If it continues to flatline, then you could look at it. But as this thing's running up, there's just no reason to look at it yet. See it?
Okay.
Yeah, you're just getting out too early.
NVAX is getting close to a double top.
Thank you. Just like you got out of that VIP too early, Andrew. I'm still going to get on you. I'll see you in the VIP.
You know what, Coach? When I had it, I was not very effective on it. I was literally like I was too many things going on.
I hear you. It sounds like you're active and ready to go now, though. Okay, good. We'll see you real soon. Yeah, NVAX. Love your face, though. Yeah, NVAX. Now, if you guys remember earlier, right, I said you could buy off of VWAP for the move up to 11 and then have your stop. I said 990. Isn't this exactly where I said your stop? Yep. So you all made money.
Right below.
Yep.
Big spy drop, Coach.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Here comes a speaker.
Oh, 10 o'clock. Here we go. 10. We got shift change and a speaker coming up. Big spy drop. Pulling the cues. Apple. That's only going to help Apple. So Apple, we'll see if Apple is still sitting at that level I marked at 183.35. You guys remember that level? Still sitting there.
Well, and then we had 183.44 previously, so it's a few cents off.
Right. Now, with the whole market pulling, this should help you. It should help you to finally break through this 183.35. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, that's beautiful, David. Look at that. Whew. Look at SPY. SPY has collapsed.
99%.
Nice job, David. Holy crap.
Good morning, Coach. I thought it was Saturday, man. I'm a day behind.
That's all right, partner. We're just listening to David and the Apple gang make ass loads of money.
Dave, did you do 50?
That's beautiful. That's glorious. Glorious. SPY, the cues, everything crashing out. 10 o'clock shift change with the speaker up there, wrecking the market. Glorious. Apple, I had the next at 183.09. Now look at it. If you look at this is a buyer's candle right here on Apple.
Coach, I was right there. I had 183.11.
Yeah, absolutely. I had, listen how close we are. I had 09, right?
Well, and then I know you probably do the same with me where you leave it zoomed out anyways and you're not dialing into the exact penny.
Yep. Hell yeah. Yep. That's awesome.
Yeah, Coach, look for an upside here because the data this week has been pretty affirming. So I can't imagine him saying too much more negative. So, yeah, watch,
yeah.
play the trade, obviously, but
Yeah,
there
yeah.
could be an up.
Absolutely. Yep,
I
absolutely.
won't
Coach, what do you mean by a buyer's candle?
I'm sorry, somebody's what?
I just asked, what do you mean by a buyer's candle?
You see this wick? So what
Oh,
this,
yeah.
so what this means is it dropped all the way down and then the buyers pushed it all the way back up. That's what leaves a giant wick underneath. That means buyers have stepped in and pushed it up. See it?
Yes, Coach. Thank you.
Yep.
Take a look at TSM. It's very bullish.
Oh yeah, TSM, beautiful. Nice call out. Yep, nice stair stepper, right? I love those. Nice. TSM, beautiful. Okay, it's 10 o'clock. Josh, go ahead, and then I'm going to actually announce our memberships because I haven't said it yet today. Josh, go.
Hey, Coach, can you look at Soxel real quick? I'm wondering, is this a get out moment? Because it's like kind of poking through VWAP.
Well, hold on.
You
I'm
got
going to
that
let
buyer's-
you. I'm going to let you and you alone answer that question to me. You tell me right now, quick.
I'm still in it.
Okay,
I
good.
didn't get out yet.
Tell me why, though. Tell me why. Why should you still be in it?
To me, it hasn't broken in a hole yet.
Yep.
It looked like it in that red candle.
Yep.
It was just
Nope. Yep. Nope. You're dead on the money. You're doing right. Yep. You are perfectly correct, Josh. This is not a break and hold.
Plus,
I
he's
should
looking
have.
at NVIDIA and AMD.
Yep. Go ahead, Josh. I'm listening. Go. That's right, Ted.
I'm actually not looking at NVIDIA and AMD. I should, but I should have when you said to.
Yep.
It was up.
Yeah, way up in
around
the clouds.
$42.
Yeah, good.
So when that guy was talking about how he shedded kind of early, I was like, maybe it's time I shed. So I took half off.
Yep.
And it didn't hurt so bad when the knife dropped.
That's right, and that's why we do it, right?
If I did shed, I'd probably panic and sell.
For sure. Now watch the overall market right here, right? So I'd have my stop down here would be around 41.60, right? Because if this tests again and we get this breakthrough and it breaks the previous level, now that would be bearish. If we just sit in this zone, I don't care, right?
Yeah.
That shouldn't phase you at all. You guys need to live in that moment. Yeah, but looking at this, 42. This is exactly where I told everybody the same thing with NVIDIA when it peaked at 914 is exactly when I said right here, right? So this is shed. It comes up. It consolidates, pulls back, shed, continues to pull, shed, waiting. So this is 50, 20, 20, holding here.
Tesla first 2 minute green.
All right, thank you. Look at that Apple bounce.
Yes, sir.
Right
Got one
off of
last
that
free
buyer's
runner.
candle.
Coach, I made 1% on my account when you said buyer's candle. I quick scalped it on
Oh,
a level
nice.
that David called out. 1% of my account.
Nice, and it's still going in your favor, right? That's nice.
It
Good
was
job.
just a quick scalp.
Nice job, partner. Good job. Yeah, and let me put this up on the big screen, and then we're gonna do talk about my products and services real quick. Because guess what? That's how I get paid. We didn't sell any memberships because I wasn't here yesterday. Again, right here. See this? This is where the whole market changed. At least in the interim, right? The interim, this is where it's at. But you can see it off of this candle. We already knew 183.35 was a key level. We had talked about it. You knew it. Said 183.09 was the next one. David had 183.11. So they were both in sync, super close. It hit 22. All the buyers came in, drove it to the upside, which now this right here was support. It broke through, popped above it, and now it's support. So now 183.35 is support. So this, now when it comes back, we know this is support. And if you look at Apple breaking where it is, this is trying to get to VWAP. See it?
We might have trouble right there at the 184.
Yeah, and if you look at this, everybody look where it's consolidated right here before. See it? This is where it bounced. That's exactly right, David, around the 184 mark. Everybody see this? This is how you know.
I didn't want to give up anymore, so I got out on my last one, and the last one, the runner even sold at about 42, 44%.
Nice job.
Coach, TikTok's down.
Thank you. That's awesome, David. David, did you hit your $300 goal today?
668.
Holy crap. $668.
Great job. Great job, David. Great job.
That's awesome.
That is beautiful, David. Consistency, right? You don't need to listen. You don't need to make $1 million a day. I know some of our members are making astronomical amounts. Now, we have heard members making $1 million, $2 million, $3 million. We had one member make almost $6 million in a single day. We don't need to do that. Listen, consistency is beautiful. Now, those home runs every now and then, yeah, those are great. Consistency wins the day. Consistency is where the magic happens, right?
Yep.
Think of it this way, $500 a day with 252 trading days a year, that's $126,000, everybody. Right?
Yes, sir.
That's beautiful.
It's the little hits that build up confidence.
Yep. Yep.
I only need 100 a day.
Yep. Yeah, 100 a
5
day.
second
Absolutely.
red.
Yep. Everybody
Well,
thinks,
I tell everybody that a year and a half ago, my trades were $6 to $15 in profit, but I was building my own trust and my consistency.
That's right. And that's what it's about. If you guys, I mean, Brady started that journey. He was making $20 to $30 a trade, right? The biggest trade that he got in this room was $5.6 million in profit in a single day. He started with $25 to $30 trades per trade, right?
Yes, sir.
So, do like 300 of them.
Yep. Yeah, and it did. Well, and it doesn't take much with SPY to make $25, $30. I mean, that's a blink of an eye, right? So, yeah, of course, they're getting up to the point where they were doing, 4,000 contracts at a time. They had, 1 million, 2 million sometimes in the trade. But, those guys got up to, Jimmy's up to almost $30 million he's made in here. So you can make bigger trades because your pool is giant, right? Now look at this. David and I just talked about this around this 184. See this right here? Came up, hit really close to 184. Remember, professionals get in early, rookies wait. We can get this right on this money, right? If you think of it, look at it, it's 180. You can't get any closer than that. It's 183.99 it hit. 98. See it? We were off by 2 cents. David, we suck. We should shut this thing down.
Yeah.
We don't know what we're
shut
talking
it down.
about.
Stop the one-on-ones.
Yep.
Let me.
Yep. Shut the whole thing down, David. Stop all the one-on-ones. This whole thing is bullshit.
Go into a cave and hibernate.
Yep. Hibernate. You and I, we're going to go back, right? And start over. This is bullshit. Look at 184. Ding. And here we come. 183.35 support. It's glorious.
Double top on NVAX.
Thank you. Bob, go ahead. You got your hand up. Wow. NVAX way up again. Thank you.
Hey, Coach. Yesterday I sold a put on SMCI with a 725 strike. And I bought it back today at the peak and made 60%.
Oh my gosh. Nice job.
It was paying 460 yesterday for a 1 week strike for 1 week.
Beautiful, beautiful executed trade. Now I know you know what it is. Everybody else in here, when we're selling cash, when we're doing cash secured puts, what percentages, what range do we want to have for a buyback?
50 to 70%.
Close. That's for covered calls. What do we do for cash secured puts?
40 to 60%.
Bingo. Right there. Yeah, it was real close though, partner. So remember, covered calls, we buy them back 50 to 70. Why? Because they're easier. Cash secured puts, 40 to 60%. So you maximized your profits on that cash secured put in 1 day at 60%. Congratulations. Beautiful trade.
So did two NVIDIA scalps today and made $500.
2 NVIDIA scalps, $500. Boy, that's a nice day, right?
Yeah, about 20 seconds each scalp.
There you go. Nice job.
Hey, Coach, can you
Yep.
look at NVAX? Because that's actually a triple top if you go back a long time.
Yep.
I think.
Yep, it is. But we can just
It
use
is?
this. Yep, we can use this though. Up to $11. It hit 1090. Remember, a little early. If you guys heard me earlier though, what did I say? You can scalp off a VWAP. Have a stop around 990. I got it marked even to make sure. And every time, payday, right? And I said back up to 11. Again, if you listen to
Coach,
the
I did the
sound.
mastermind class where you
Yep.
said wait 10 to 15%, and I made 43% again and stopped down. Thank you for helping.
Yeah, nice job, JP, getting it done. Okay, real quick, station identification, because, you know, I like to pay my bills too. American Dream Trading, if you guys are interested in joining us, head on over. Right here's the website. Membership start at $200. You can be inside of this room. There's 450 of us right now. You guys will also get access to hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the IPO center, and the membership lounge. We will help you all day starting at 8:45. So market open to market close all the way until 4 o'clock. We have almost 18 moderators standing by to assist you guys, right? To help you out for whatever your needs are. If you guys need any additional help, you can always open up a help desk ticket. It's over here on our free Discord and somebody will help you out. That is our regular paid membership starting at $200. If you guys are interested in the VIP memberships, they start at $2,500 a year. You can get, hold on, I got to look at, we got a couple things. Okay. So you can start getting training with me at 8:15 every single morning. So we do masterclass training and trading. You guys also have early access to Zoom starting at 4 a.m. to trade with our other millionaires that are inside of the room and our other moderators that have found major success. You guys will also get all the masterclass training videos. We have, I believe, over 50 now, or we're really close to 50 masterclass videos that we do inside of the room. You guys are also going to get free workshop classes for the whole time you have your membership. We've been doing that for a full year now. Excuse me. Masterclass. You're also going to get all the trading view indicators. So you can see we've been using the trading view indicators. It's just another tool to help you guys in exactly what we are doing. And of course, you get everything else I mentioned. If you guys are ready to step up that level though, and you want weekend training, you get that with the VIP Gold. You'll get weekend training. You get mastermind classes for free. The next mastermind class, by the way, is in a month from now. So next month, make sure you guys sign up, by the way. Those seats are filling up fast for the mastermind classes. So once the seats are full, you will not be able to get access into the live Q&A. So make sure you guys get into that. With a VIP Gold, you're also going to get 1 hour of tech support. So if you need us to remote in your system, give you any type of help like that. And again, that weekend training plus the VIP Gold Lounge access. Plus, you're going to get the news service. We have that brand new daily and weekly news service. Mark doing a great job on that, by the way, and any breakout rooms. Do me a favor today, moderators, if you would, David or somebody else, take the VIP Gold members. We'll have a breakout room as soon as I leave for the day today. Get them some extra training and trading with one of our moderators. It's more of a one-on-one because the VIP Gold room is smaller, so you get more of that one-on-one style Q&A. That alone, of course, right, should pay for itself. So right now, if you buy a VIP Gold membership from now till the end of May, I am going to select 2 people from those that buy it. You're going to get the opportunity to spin the wheel of cash live on here in front of everybody for a chance to win up to $5,000. By the way, there's only 2 people that have entered. 2 people. That means if nobody else signs up right now, you have a chance to win up to $5,000. This is the greatest odds in the history of giveaways right now, right? That is absolutely ridiculous. So make sure you guys head on over there and get signed up. Good to see everybody on this beautiful Friday. I appreciate all of you tuning in that are free. You guys are amazing. Love your faces. By the way, This is American Dream Trading. I have been trading stocks for 32 years now. We train over 100,000 people a day. We are top ranked for sales, service, for what we do. We have been featured over at Inc.com. Appreciate everybody. By the way, our merchant service, this is pretty cool, right? There's over, I think there's 5,000 or 6,000 other vendors just like us over on our website where we use our paid service. We were featured in their newest email that went out. They just started this. This is something brand new. They're going to start sending out a monthly. They featured American Dream Trading over there. So that's awesome. That just tells you guys, right? We are doing everything we can to provide the best products and services in the industry. We are an industry leader over here. We are, right, the fastest and largest stock market education company in the country. So thank you to all of you for being here. Appreciate it. Thank you for the station identification. All right, let's get back to our trading.
Well, okay, Coach,
Yes.
just one more thing.
Yep.
Yesterday we had a breakout room and we helped Dave S. out with his covered call questions. He came back in and stated that that in and of itself was justification for the gold membership. So, true believer with Dave and Bruno. What we're thinking is, since it was recorded, we should send that to him as a kind of a little reminder and a place where he can kind of refer to from time to time.
Absolutely, man. Love that. Yeah. Bruno sent me a message. He said that, who was the other person? It might not have been that. You said Mark, right?
Bucket was in on it.
Yep. Okay. Hold on one second. Yeah. Dave S. Is that who you were referring to?
Yes, sir.
Exactly.
Here I am. It was
Hey.
a great session for me. I really appreciate Bucket and Ted and everyone else that was in there that helped me. Thank you.
Absolutely. You're welcome. Yeah. Bruno sent me a message and said, Dave said he's already paid for all of his memberships for being in here. So that's awesome, Dave. Glad to have you here, buddy.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Real quick, we haven't talked. Has anybody else found success being a VIP or a VIP Gold member? Has anybody paid for your memberships yet?
I did yesterday. 2 days ago, Ted called out, Ted and another guy in the earnings called out AG, and I bought 2 cash secured puts on AG and nailed it.
Nice job.
I'm very happy with that. Thanks, Ted.
Yeah, nice job.
Paid mine the first day I got it.
Thank you. Yeah, I was going to say, most of the time, obviously, results not guaranteed. Usually within the first week, those memberships are paid for. That's almost every example, and I know that sounds weird and crazy, but it's true. They're typically within the first 4 to 5 days of joining VIP, usually that's paid for. Not always, but usually, right? Now, you guys might go back and lose money and act a fool, but there's no way in hell, if you've been in this room for a while, you have never made $2,500, right? Okay, good. SPY, and again, results not guaranteed. SPY at 521. That's our pre-market setup to the downside. Getting ready to collapse on SPY. Apple still hovering around that 183.35 we discussed earlier. Major level of support down here. There goes SPY. Blinking out. Major level of support, 521 on SPY.
I made $2,000 scalping those puts on SPY in 1 minute.
Oh, nice job, regulator.
The problem is I didn't follow your rules of shaving. I sold it all. I should have shaved and I would have made a lot more money.
Good, but at least you see though, right?
Yep.
And that's all that matters. Nice job. And now everybody in this room would know to be careful at 521, because if it's going to bounce, it's going to do it right here, right? Wasn't that our pre-market setup to the downside? You bet your ass it was. And where did it bounce? 520 and 91 cents. And we said be careful at 521. That's pretty close, right?
Very close.
David, we're off by 9 cents again. Shut this shit down.
Me and well, I gotta give a big shout out to TJ. Me and him have been going back and forth between levels, and me and him sometimes have to split the penny.
Yeah, split the difference. Right.
Yeah.
Right. I like it. He who's wrong has to buy the beer, right?
Yep.
There you go. Make sure you
Oh,
guys.
you have 2 buyer's candles again on Apple.
Oh, yep, I see them. Absolutely. Listen to you guys. Woo-wee. Now, isn't that what happened last time? Look at right here. Right here. Doesn't this look the same?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Interesting. Remember, if this comes down, we'll see if this will come down for a retest. I want to show you guys what you're missing in the VIP, though. Hold on one second. Watch how accurate this is. This will drive you insane. Look at this. You see this right here? Oh, what do you know? If only you had our trading view indicators from a VIP membership, you too could have seen this exact setup. See it?
Coach, on this indicator,
Coach.
quick question, if you don't mind.
Yeah, go ahead.
So here they're using MCAD, which involves the 2 or 3 moving averages, and then if the long one crosses the larger one, it gives you some kind of signal. Is that what it is?
I didn't really catch. Yeah.
So I'm talking about that trading view indicators, right? Do they use anywhere in there? One of the indicators is MCAD and or not?
No.
No.
Andrew, when you re-get your VIP membership, you get the trading view indicators for free.
Well, since I had it, could I get it for free then?
Oh my God. No, you get it with your VIP membership.
All right, Coach. You really want me to sign up, huh?
Well, the things you're asking and the stuff you're doing is just trying to circumvent what you know you should be doing anyways, right?
I guess so, right?
I guess so. I don't know. I'll let you figure it out.
You see, the reason why I signed up last
Right.
time, you talked me into it, but I never did much then.
So I know. And now here we are. And now you're ready to learn.
So I see you were trying to talk me back into it.
No,
Okay.
I don't want to talk you into anything. You either want to learn or you don't. It's up to you.
I guess. You're right.
Yeah. I mean, it's your dime, your time. You want to learn or you don't, right?
There you go.
Yeah, LIDR popping off. LIDR super low float, 5.4 million, volume 38 million. LIDR. LIDR. Yeah, Andrew, you had it before, but it sounds like you didn't use it at all, and now you're ready to use it. Would now be the time to have it. Right. Love your face. It's up to you. Do your thing. Give me 1 second here. Oh, you know what? We don't mention this enough, and we should. Don't forget, paid members, we have a Spanish lounge, right? There's a full Spanish lounge. We're the first ones ever in the history of stock market education to have it. So make sure you guys take advantage of it. Okay, if you have questions, concerns, comments, you just want to have conversations in Spanish, we have a full lounge dedicated for you guys. So make sure you check it out.
Coach, I'm Portuguese. My
Yep.
wife is Japanese.
Oh,
Can
awesome.
you make lounges for us in there?
Well, Portuguese, you do probably speak some Spanish too, though, right?
Not the same thing, Coach.
Right, I understand, but usually when you're Portuguese, you usually
Sounds like it.
yeah, it's
Yeah, but I'm more concerned, with my wife,
I got you.
Japanese.
Yeah, well,
A lounge for her too.
Yeah, I hear you. So here's the thing. The reason I could do Spanish is because it's the second most common language in the world. So it makes sense to have it. If
I'm
Japanese,
just playing, Coach. I'm just playing.
oh, I got
love you.
No. I was gonna say if there was enough people that spoke Japanese, we'd have one, right? So why not? Absolutely.
A French lounge manned by Amanda.
Right. Not
Coach,
just
on NVIDIA, is there any reason to watch that pre-market setup you gave us?
let's take a look. Not just Nana with her talking sweet nothings in her ear.
Have
NVIDIA.
a French lounge.
Wee wee.
NVIDIA.
Yes, 897. You do need to watch that. That's support, right?
Correct.
Yeah, and you can see now. Look, this is a retest. So look at this though. I hit it here, and here. The buyers pushed it up, and then we're retesting again at this exact same pre-market setup at 897. You already know if that breaks and holds to the downside, it's lights out and hammer puts, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Look at how many times it touched our level, though. We nailed it. Yeah, right here. There it goes. There it is. Hammer them puts. Make sure you have your stop up here above 897, but those are puts, right? There it goes. Oh, man, that's beautiful.
Another big pull in the video.
Look at that. Now listen, when it slows down, take some off the table right here. Not all. I didn't say all. Take some off. Make sure you stay above around this, what is this, 896 level. See why we take some off here? Can anybody tell me why? And then boom, right there, the rest. Can anybody tell me why? Because
support.
Because
Your half candle rule there.
Because right here, this is where it slowed down or stopped, right? So if I am scalping this, the second it stops, most likely it's going to come back up. And then if I wait to get rid of it when it bounces, I lose a ton of money on these puts. So I look for it to stop, which it did right here. Because if you're like, oh, I'm going to get rid of them now, and you wait, you lose all your money on the bounce, right? You get it on the run.
And coach, you lose the money not only because of the price change, but also the volatility, correct?
Yeah, gamma is what's eating it. Yep. So gamma is like putting your foot on a gas pedal. Right here, you were hammering it. You stomped on the pedal. And as soon as it does this, it's like letting all the gas off, right? This is why a run like this, right? As soon as it pulls, you can make like $1,000. And as soon as it even breathes just a little bit, you'd only be up about $200. And you're like, wait a minute, right? Have you guys all seen that?
That's right. And even if it goes back down slowly to where it was, coach, you still lost all that money because you lost the gamma. You lost the momentum of it.
That's right. So instead of making $1,000 here, now you won't make $1,000 till it gets to here, right?
That's right.
Yep.
That's why you just have to be fast and not be greedy, right?
That's correct.
Take it when the numbers are there and then take the green.
That's
if you
right.
Wait, you lose it.
Yeah, especially when it bleeds really hard, when it goes like, oh, I take it. Yep.
Yeah, I've noticed that. It's like, well, maybe it'll go down a little bit more, and then when it slows down, all of a sudden
it takes
makes
all the
pop up.
Yeah, and it takes all the money out of it. You're like, whoa, or it'll go flat. You'll be up way, and then it'll barely breathe back, and it'll be back to zero, and you're like,
It'll even go down more, and you're like, wait, why is
yeah,
not making any money?
Yep, that's
in that
all.
situation, you're buying same day puts, right, coach?
That is correct.
Yep.
Yep. Just remember, you're okay to do that until it is the day of 0 data expiration. So, example, right now. So we're at 10:30. You're okay to still do these until lunch, right? 11, 12 o'clock. Then you no longer want to be buying same day options, okay? Because the theta is kicking your ass really hard because today is the last day you can have them. So as soon as like 11 o'clock, which I always just say lunch. By me saying lunch that way, I always remember, hey, don't buy anything after lunchtime, same day. So now at, around 11 a.m. Eastern, I'm buying next week in this example. Oops, make sense? They'll cost you
If you're
more.
scalping, you're buying next week.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Even to scalp. Yep. Even to scalp.
Like the Friday of next week,
That's
or like
yeah.
a 3-day next week.
Well, it would be the Friday of next week for these, but yes.
Okay.
Now, here's the reason why. Well, obviously a couple reasons, but the closer you get to 4 o'clock, the more money you lose, right? And the other thing is, what if this goes in your favor and you want to keep holding and holding and holding and holding, and it's getting closer and closer and closer to expiration, and the whole time you're losing more and more and more and more on your theta, right? So even if it's going in your favor, you're still losing your ass off because expiration is coming. So if you buy it for next Friday and we hold it and hold it and hold it up to the bell, it isn't going to touch you as much. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yep. And that is why. DJ Vinny, you got your hand up. Go. Oh.
Yes, sir. We started something a couple nights ago on the aftermarket with IWM. So I did the pre-market setups and put the numbers in the chat. And I'm just curious to who followed the rules and who made a ass pile of money this morning on IWM.
I don't know. It's a great question. Anybody make money on IWM? We've been talking about IWM like all damn week. Anybody? Bueller? No? No, not sure. Nice job though having conversations like that in the aftermarket. Love it, Vinny.
I'm trying to help all the small accounts. You know what I mean? It's got a nice flow to it.
Yep, absolutely.
I just part to help.
Nope, that's good. That's why you guys should be tuning into our aftermarket, right?
Yeah, we appreciate it, Vinny.
Yep. Don's going to have that panel full. I want 8 people's beautiful faces in there. Fill that room. Get them in there. Call them in. Get in there. Get in that room. The more people, the better. I want that room full of people. Get in there, people. Stop being little scaredy shits. Get your ass in there. Call you in like the carnies would do. Hey, guess your weight, guess your age, guess your weight. Get over here. Come on over here. Get yourself a prize. Come on now. Get on over here. You got to call them in. Get over here on this panel. Come on now. Get on the panel. Got to get them. Get them.
EJT, first red 2-minute EWO.
Thank
EJT.
you. Thank you. You got to call them. Got to get them in.
Too ugly for the
I'm big
panel.
on IWM, Vinny.
You got to lasso them in if you have to.
Yeah, Vinny, I've done well this week on IWM. So yeah, I appreciate it. You turning us on to it. And yeah, it's really paid off.
There you go.
As far in the mechanics on everything that the coach teaches you, that is, to me, that's a beautiful stock to do it on.
Yeah, nice. Okay, real quick. NVIDIA touched 894, and that was support on the bounce. See it here? Now we're retesting a previous level of support. So this is resistance until it breaks. Everybody watching this in real time?
Yes, coach.
Did you see how it just pulled back right where we said exactly as we were writing it out? And what do we do on resistance?
Oops.
There it is. So right there, I was 897, now down to 895. That's a $2 move right there on the exact call out. Everybody see it? Do you see why we trade the trades the way we trade them? I mean, does it get any more live than that? So nice.
EJT, second red.
Are you guys not entertained? There should have been 8,000 people crying, applauding, running out in the streets, getting ADT tattoos. No, don't do that. Right? Naming your children.
On your forehead.
Naming
ADT
your
on your
children ADT. I don't know. And now what is this right here? What is this? What's this? What's this 894 level right here? What was this?
Support.
Oh, that's support. Okay. Well, nice. And since I'm new here, what would we buy in support?
Calls.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, I got you. Okay, so calls down here. Okay, and then we did resistance here. Wait, so you mean to tell me we made money here and then we did it here? What the? You guys do this every day? You guys always do this in here. Are you serious?
Every day, sir.
Oh my gosh, I can't take it. Just like that, huh?
I gotta go walk the dogs.
Nice. We'll see you after you.
I got into 2 more scalps. I was up 6 something. Now I'm up 868. I need to get the hell out of here.
Oh my gosh. Nice. Listen, partner, if I don't hear from you again, I appreciate you. Love your face. Big hugs and kisses to the fam. I love those pictures, by the way. Very cool.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, do you have 1 or 2 daughters that's in there?
Well, I got the little one. She's 12. She's the cheerleader. And then I've got a 22-year-old.
Okay, awesome. All right, well, listen, and I'm sure you're proud of the oldest one, but make sure you give the young one a hug and kiss for us and tell her congratulations. That's awesome on the cheerleading. That was very cool.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, very, very cool. And there goes NVIDIA breaking above the 897 level. Glorious. Scoop here. First scoop was here on this pullback. Then the call was here. And then it broke through, which means now you should get a nice drive to the upside.
Now, Coach, on my calls, I only see increments of $5. Do you just buy the next $5 up, or you go higher?
Yeah, no, you have to with this. Yeah, you have to with this. So they are, because it's so large for NVIDIA, it is $5 increments. Yep. All I know is, all I hear when we're taking all that money from the market, all I hear are these hedge fund managers, the tick toddlers, the YouTubers, and the crypto kitties. All I hear from them is this. Sorry. We're going to be here every day. Every day we take that money from the market, don't we, ladies and gentlemen?
You bet your ass.
Every day. That's awesome. All right, where are we at? We're at 1040. Nice job. Congratulations to David over there on the EWOs, making over $800. Woo! Love it. I'm going to read through some of the profits and loss right now. I see that Mark McC this morning in the VIP room, $525. Nate over in the VIP room this morning, pre-market, $4,000. Ange, VIP Gold member, has made $491 this morning in the pre-market in the VIP room, 4 weeks green. Disabled veteran, VIP member, $169. Justin G, VIP Gold member, $40 this morning. Ray, $60 loss yesterday, but made up for it today. Green, 10 out of 11 days. Congratulations to you. JP, 39%. Nice job. Last 2 weeks, account is up 19%. VIP Gold member. VIP member, Big Rig Dave, $337. David, of course, one of our own moderators, VIP Gold, and just a hell of a guy all the way around. Major win again today, over $800. He had over $1,100 yesterday. Holy crap, he's on fire. Austin, 5%. Austin is a VIP member. Diesel Dan, VIP member, done for the day. Green, 3 after 3 red days. Tight stops were a little too tight. No worries. Nice job. James, Green Day, IWM. Ken, 112. Ted, VIP Gold and VIP membership and a moderator, $5,553. Regulator, VIP Gold member, $2,097. Mark, a VIP Gold member. I crushed it this week. A total account up 2.5%. Tim, VIP member, $1,000, 68 on MSTR puts. Nice job. Peter Pete, VIP gold member. I think this is minus $4. Good to be Joanne, VIP member, $77. Is anybody catching a theme? Is anybody catching a theme out of what's going on in those rooms?
Would it have anything to do with VIP?
Yeah, it might. Weird. More VIP members are posting profits right now. Hold on a moment. Waffle, VIP member, up 25 today. Oh, here's another one. Josh Lee, VIP gold member, $55. Paper Trading Spy, 2-minute EWO. Gosh, it's crazy. It's crazy how this is working out. It's weird. It's almost like they've invested in themselves and they've got extra training and they're doing extra work and they're being more involved and they're here more. Oh, here's another VIP member. $155 on NVEX. Congratulations, S. Martin. Oh, another VIP gold member. Mark, $3,200 on NVIDIA says, listen to the sound of your voice. This is weird, Don. It's almost like the VIP members. Oh, another one up 13.5%. VIP gold and VIP member Miranda, also moderator.
Nice.
It's weird. It's
Good job,
weird.
guys.
I don't.
13.5% account.
Yeah, it's weird. Oh, wait a minute.
That's huge.
Another VIP gold member, Gilly. Yesterday, 53% of account. Today,
Gilly.
20%. That's
You make money.
73% on account for VIP gold. Another VIP gold. Rob,
Gilly
$105. Another VIP. Mikey, 2-minute EWO, 5% total account. It's weird. It's weird. Every member that is VIP and VIP gold is putting out the profits today. I don't know. I'm not the brightest or the sharpest tool in the shed, but there seems to be some sort of consistency here. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. Don't know. I'm not sure. Anyways, it's 10:45. Listen, love your faces. I'm going to take off. It's Friday. Go enjoy your day. If you made some money this week or you learned something, open your mics. Let the world know. Let them know you made some money or you learned something this week. Go ahead. Fire the mics off. Fire in the hole.
Woohoo! Made a ton of money this week.
We killed it this week. IWM for the win, baby.
Nice job. All three of you out of our thousands of members. Nice
Come
job.
on, guys. Where's anybody at?
Yeah, nice job, you
I've
three.
learned I've got to go in smaller. Still.
Nice job.
Let's hear
in the trades that you keep calling out.
Nice
That's
job.
why-
Everybody's still trading the trades. Like, shut up, coach. I'm still trying to make money. I want to report into VIP, and then I got you. I got you.
Second day with the group. Made 58% on IWM today.
Nice job, Jonathan. Glad to have you here, partner. Nice job. Nice. Big Rig, still in the trade, still making money. Coach, I've been gone teaching and relearning. Nice job. Welcome back. 395 on SPY. Good to have you back, M. Fox. Good to see you again. Pinewood, another VIP member, 4.2%. Moses, VIP member. 14 cents trading 1 share of Mara. Nice job. Oh, you're on probation from losing last month. Hey, I love it. Following the rules. JR, 7th day in a row green. Nice job. Nice. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Don's loving it. Yeah, you are. Listen,
You know I am.
I know it. Great job, everybody. Let's get the money train going for all of our members this week. I appreciate all of you. You guys did such a phenomenal job. Let's get it going, baby. Nice. Good job, everybody. Where is Hamilton? I haven't seen him in a while.
Coach,
LIDR,
watch
breaking new high.
LIDR, coach. You mentioned it earlier. Woo.
Yep, absolutely.
Hamilton's job, coach. It's kind of a job situation with Hamilton. Yeah.
Okay, I got you. That's a bummer. That's a bummer. Okay.
He said he'll be back though.
Yeah, no worries. Yep, I had something in mind for him, but we'll see. All right.
Coach, what are you thinking for homework? Or
Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you said that. See, this, you know what? This is why you surround yourself with people smarter than yourself. You know what I'm saying? This is why we have the smartest people in the world in this room. Thank you. Hold on a minute. What did we watch last week and did you enjoy it? Caddyshack, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you did.
Yep.
Hold on. Was everybody loving that old classic?
I'm all right.
Nobody worry about me.
No.
All right, here we go. Since we're on this goofy, tricked out ridiculousness, let's go with something else that's absolutely stupid and fun. We're going to go with dodgeball. Dodgeball.
Dodgeball.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
You can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball.
That's right.
Will Ferrell's in that, right?
Oh gosh, is he?
No.
No.
No, I thought that was
Who am I thinking of, David?
That's Ben Stiller.
Yeah, Ben
It's
Stiller.
Ben Stiller.
Okay,
and
Ben
the other
Stiller.
guy.
Yeah, Ben Stiller. Yep.
He's hilarious.
Hold on a minute. Let's see. Oh, you're thinking of Vince Vaughn, probably.
Okay, yeah. I'm like,
Yep. Yeah, it's an all-star cast though. It's also got Justin Long in it. He's pretty damn funny. Missy Pyle, she was in the the space one.
You had me at
Galaxy Quest. Galaxy Quest.
Nurses League.
She was in Galaxy Quest. Then you got Christine Taylor. She was Marsha Brady. Which
you
is
had me at
awesome.
Vince Vaughn now. Vince Vaughn's my boy.
Yeah, Christine, by the way, that's Ben Stiller's wife.
Is it?
That's the funny thing is she plays like she's repulsed to him, but they're actually
they're married.
a couple.
Yep, absolutely. It's hilarious. So she's cool as hell too. You got Jason Bateman, Rip Torn. Like I said, this is an all-star cast.
Rip Torn is the wrench throwing guy.
Yep. Yeah, he is. Jason Bateman, right?
Love Jason Bateman.
Oh, he's one of my favorite actors of all time. Ever.
Me too.
Just hilarious. You got the Hoss. You got David Hasselhoff in there. Can't go wrong with that. Don't mess with
There's
the
like
Hoff.
20 A-list actors in there.
Yeah, there's
He's
so
one of the
many. Yeah, there's so many people in there. Jamal Duff, he's awesome too. That Alan, I don't know how to say his last name. Is it Tudyk? He's hilarious. You guys remember him in one of my other favorite movies, The Two Guys Out in the Woods? I think I had you guys watch that one.
Tucker and Dale versus Evil.
Yes, Tucker and Dale versus Evil.
Oh my God, I remember that.
Yes. LIDR about to make new high a day, by the way. Nice job. Madman,
Hey,
go
Coach,
ahead.
is this the same company that Tesla's buying the LiDAR from?
No, this is AEYE, AE Inc.
Oh, okay, it's not LiDAR.
Correct. Yeah,
Okay.
LiDAR is the name of the laser.
Yeah.
Yep. Good eye, though. Good. That's nice thinking of that. Yeah. Genius.
And by the way, Hamilton's at a data center. He's going to dial in.
Oh, good. Okay. Good. Yeah, I want to see him more because I had great things in mind for him as well inside of here. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, moderation. Madman, go ahead.
What's going on, Coach?
What's going on?
I just wanted to holler at you. I haven't talked to you in a little bit. How you doing?
You wanted to say that LiDAR was new high a day?
No, I celebrated a birthday yesterday,
Hey.
and also 12 months with ADT.
Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow.
You know, I want to reach out to like Bruno, Arlo, Miranda. They sent me a couple $, so I want to tell them thank you very much. I love y'all. And anybody else, you know, I love my family. I love ADT. So thank you guys, you know what I'm saying, for everything.
Absolutely,
You know?
man. Yeah, that's
So
awesome.
I'm
Thank
going
you
to
for
let
being
you
here.
know it's been 12 months. I've been with you 12 months, man. Every single solitary day. 12 months, man.
I love it. I apologize and I love it. Putting up with us for a whole year. That says something.
They yesterday they played the song for me yesterday.
Yes.
The Marriottis also.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, they looked out. So
Yeah.
I couldn't catch you before you left out. I just wanted to holler at you. Today,
Yeah, I
man.
appreciate it. You know what's funny is I just queued that up over here. So this is tell me my team is not thinking right. All of us are like on the same wavelength.
And coach, we figured out a way to personalize it.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, I heard that. It kept saying Sean. I'm like, I couldn't believe it.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
You guys are
double
amazing,
bottom.
man.
I see it.
You guys.
Yeah, Ted's got it hooked up into something where he can personalize it.
Oh, that's
That is
phenomenal. By the way, real
And
quick,
it broke.
SPY double bottom breakout to the downside collapsing. Same with Apple. Apple came up and retested our 183 level. Couldn't hold. Pulled back. 2-minute EWO is still paying on Apple. See it?
Please look at Tesla before you leave. Please look at Tesla.
Look at Tesla. Okay, hold on. Oh, yeah.
Tesla's suffering too.
Red like everything
Look at-
else.
Look at SPY and look at Apple. Look at Tesla. Look at the Qs. Look at Nvidia. Yes, we love a total dumpster fire. Yeah, you do.
I got in for another scalp.
Right.
I'm up 918.
918.
I really got it. I was almost out the door with the dogs. I need to get the hell out of here.
Yeah,
I'm already
stop
getting
it.
a little big.
Yep, stop it. I don't want you giving any of that back, my friend.
Yep. Well, I'm going in way smaller because I made my chunk in the morning.
Yeah,
So
less risk. Yeah, smart. Now, in case anybody else is keeping track, that's $2,000 in the last 2 days for David. $2,000 in the last 2 days. Whew. Damn.
with the goal of 200 to 250 a day.
Hell yes. We got to get on your level, man. That's beautiful. Nice job. All right, everybody, I'm out. I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke Sidewalker, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, and Ted. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate all of you. Thank you to all of our military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Of course, we honor and respect you every single day. Thank you, Gregory, for those roses. I appreciate you, man. Thank you guys again for being here. Hold on one second. Let me mute these mics. Got it. You guys just continue to make money, by the way, as I'm signing off. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, and don't forget, this is Nurses Week. We're going to be doing another giveaway tonight in honor of our nurses. So again, thank you to our men and women nurses that are out there changing the world and helping everybody to making it a better place. And everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Have a great day.
All right.
Good weekend.
Okay, have a great weekend.
Thank you, guys.
Also, Mother's Day.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, my gosh, dude. I would have got destroyed. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers.
You know I got you, Coach.
Thank you.
I can't let you slip like that.
Yeah. Yep. I appreciate it.
Hey, Coach, if we're doing the wheel, maybe the wheel this afternoon could be to the moms.
Well, no, I got something better. How about we do this? Don, are you in here?
Always.
Yeah, let's give one away to in honor of our nurses, and let's give another one away for the moms out there, right?
Sounds like a plan.
Yep, absolutely.
Nice. Love it.
Yep. Don't worry, dads out there. I know there's a lot of single dads taking care of the babies and stuff. I get it. We'll hook you up on Father's Day. Trust me, much love out there. We appreciate all of you. I know what a hard job it is, mothers and fathers. You guys are awesome. You guys are rock stars. So appreciate
I've
all
been a
of you.
single dad for 23 years.
Yep, absolutely.
I know it's no surprise to you, but Soxwell bounced off your exact market setup this morning to the penny.
Oh my gosh, there it is. Yep, I like it. I like it like I
On
like it.
behalf of the mothers, thank you, Coach.
Yep,
I'm waiting to
absolutely.
get gold.
Yeah, the mothers.
The mothers. Yep.
The
Thank you,
mothers.
guys. Yep. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for the moms that stuck around.
Right?
Yeah. Thank you. We appreciate and honor you every day. I wish I would have had that luxury, but nope. Love your faces. Hold on. I'm signing off. Appreciate all of you. Everybody be cool.
Love you, Coach.
Love you too, man. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome.
Love you, Coach.
Love you too. Everybody be well. Have an amazing weekend. Thank you again for an awesome week. You guys are great. Moderators, it's all you. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you so much.
Coach.
Yep.
Coach, did you get my DM?
I did not, but I will check them all later. I see I
Thanks,
got about
Coach.
14 queued up.
Okay, cool.
You have
All
a good weekend.
All right, everybody be cool.
You too. You look good, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Later on, Tampa.
Later on, Tampa.
Have a good weekend, Coach. Go
All
take
right.
care of Mama.